If you have electric car like e-Golf ID3, ID4 or something like that with heat pump, and you have fault codes about pressure sensors or shut-off valves, and you cannot clear faults even after you change these sensors, I have solution. But solution, you make PayPal donation and I send you another video with link how to do to clear fault codes. But clearing fault codes not fix problem. But after you change or you find out which one is bad, after you change, and I'll show you procedure how to clear that fault code. This one. And shut off valve is down there, but now it's not see. It's deep. And one more is there. Is 5 shut off valves and 5 sensors, pressure